I was sent these pet grooming gloves and I have my dog here, so let's check them out. There's a little Velcro right here. You're gonna put them on your hands. I did spray them with water. That was the directions to start to help you pick up the hair. And then you're just gonna attach that Velcro right there. We're gonna put this one on the other hand, and then we're gonna get my dog to come back and we will start and see how these work. So pretty easy to get on right there. Okay, Bear, come over here. Come here. Okay, right there is good too. So really what's cool is you're just like petting your dog. I'm going down with his fur right now on the back area. It's collecting some hair. It's getting a little bit of hair. Okay, I'm gonna try going opposite his fur, see if that makes a difference. So I definitely get more hair when I go opposite, so you could kind of go up and then go down. Really, this could be great for dogs that have pretty easy hair to come off, maybe some short-haired dogs. I feel like a traditional dog grooming brush does work better on my particular dog, but this is nice, especially if your dog has a lot of anxiety for getting brushed. This is just like being pet. Like, they could do this all day. Let's see if he'll roll over for me. Want to get a tummy rub? Lay down. Good boy. So this is kind of cool because a lot of times he won't let me brush his underbelly, and this is just like him getting a massage. So this is a great way to brush the underside. And again, it's just collecting some of the fur right there. Good boy. And then when you're done, you'll just take the gloves off. Slides off, even though I didn't even undo the Velcro. And then you can just collect the fur from it all. Throw that away and start again.